My name is Ogene. Welcome to the third video of this tutorial series. What I'll be showing you today is how to output HTML using echo statement. Basically, you know what HTML is already, so I'll just drop a line of code here of HTML. This is a test field here. If you save this right now and preview in our browser, there you go. You have the HTML content here. So right now we want to output it in PHP. So what we need to do is to use the echo statement. Echo. There we go. Let's just be lazy and cut this out and dump it in between our quote here, single quote. And now let's refresh the page. There we go. To be very sure it's working, let's change the value to be input. Right now, let's save it and refresh. There you go, it's working properly. So this is basically how to output HTML in PHP code block. Right now you can do more outside what you have here, or better still, you can just declare a variable here by saying A0 let's take this up here. Our variable will be valid, say A0 quarter this. Okay, now what we need to do right now, we'll echo just the output. Let's just echo the variable called A0. That goes. Let's try it to the single quote. Here you see saying syntax error on line 2. That's because we didn't close this line of code here. So A0 so right now there's a second method of outputting the same input field to the browser, which we're going to use right now. So we'll use the variable method. We'll declare a variable and call it inputs, make it equal to, let's just dump a line of code here for the input fields. Then right now all we need to do is to echo this input, because what we have here right now is input equals to this, or this equal to this. So in order to echo that, use the echo statement and say inputs. So everything here is equal to what is here. So if you save this and go back to the browser, refresh it, there you go, input is working. And if we decide to change the value here to be very sure it is working, we can change it to Boo Web. Let's save that and refresh. Right now, here you go, Boo Web, which is the little modification we made to the value here. So what this proves is that what we just did is working, outputting HTML through PHP. So see you in the next video.